Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. So, today our topic is about yoga. Yoga part 2. Last time we did part 1. Today we are going to do yoga part 2. A series of exercise continuously. Okay? So, before we're doing that, we need to do little warm up. Here we go. Okay? Let's start with the exercise. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands up, touch the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now our body is warm. Stretch your arms. Now we'll go for our first asana. Okay. It's Surya Namaskar. Okay. Okay. Hand straight. Look straight. Okay. Hands up slowly. Or we'll do all this exercise. All these exercises, asanas, 3 times, okay? 3 to 4 times. Start. And straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This way you have to do. Okay? Let's go 2 more times. Now without count will you, okay? Start. 1, 2, down. 3, leg back. 4, both legs straight. 5, down. 6, up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 counts, okay? We'll go one more time. Ready? Relax, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, okay? Let's go. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Back to your position. Relax. Very good. After Surya Namaskar, we'll go for our next asana. That is Majrasana. Majrasana means cat pose. Like a cat pose. Going up, going down. Sit down. On your knees. Turn. So that you can see clearly what I am doing. Okay, so that's why I'm turning this way. Okay, on your knees, sit back on your heels this way. Slowly take your hands front, rubbing towards the ground, and bend like a horse for a particular distance between leg. Okay, take your slowly, gradually take your head up and your hip down, lower back down. See the arch here, lower back down. Okay, wait for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, slowly take your lower back up and head down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold here. Again, one more time, we'll go. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do one more time. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back. Sit back. Now we go for our next asana is three-path Majrasana. Three-path Majrasana. Okay. Same position you have to go. Go front. Okay. You have to raise your leg. First you have to make a straight leg straight. Okay. Okay. This leg straight, and slowly you have to raise towards the sky. Look straight. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly down. Again back to position. Now another leg. Straight, slowly up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Back. Relax. Row one more count. Left leg first. Straight. Slowly raise it up for 8 counts. As per your capacity. 2 counts, 3 counts, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Back. Another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Relax. We go for one more time. Straight your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Relax back to position, my dear students. Now we'll go for our third asana. Okay, that is Sulabh Ardha Pawanmuktasana. Sulabh Ardha Pawanmuktasana. Let's go. Lie down. On your back. Okay. Hold your leg at the knee. Hold it. Press to your stomach. And raise your head up. Hold for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly head down. Relax the leg. Slowly down. Now another leg. Bend at your knee. Hold. Press. Raise your head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly head down. Leg straight. We'll go for one more round. Now 8 counts, okay? Start. Hold, press, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing is continuous. Don't hold the breath. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Leg straight. Now another leg. Hold, press. Don't hold the breath, okay? Breathing is continuous. Start. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Leg straight. We'll go for last round, third round. Okay. Hold. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Leg straight. Another leg. 1. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Now next asana is Ardha Dronasana. Ardha Dronasana. Same, you have to lie down. Okay. You have to raise your leg, any one leg, suppose right leg, and raise your head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Other leg. Simultaneously, you have to raise your leg and your heads. Your head and leg together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Relax. We go for one more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Relax. 2, 3 breaths. One more round. Last round. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. My dear students, we'll go for our next asana. Same, lying down. Purva Bhujangasana. Okay. Lie down on your stomach. Okay. Interlock your fingers. Forehead on the ground and slowly raise your head up. Slowly raise your head up. Hold here for 4 to 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly go down. Again, relax the hand. Relax your hand. One more time. Forehead on the ground. Hands back. Interlock. Slowly up for 8 counts now. 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Relax. Last round. Interlock. Slowly up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Relax. Now we'll go for our fourth next asana, that is Ardha Salbhasana. Okay, same way, head down. You will raise your leg, one leg, any one leg, up. 1, 2, hold for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold as per your capacity. 4 count also, no problem. Okay, 2 counts, 3 counts, 4 counts, no problem. Head down. Another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Relax. We'll go for one more round. Forehead on the ground. Chin up. Place the chin on the ground. Slowly leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Relax. Last round. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Relax. And go for our next asana. Is Uttant Vakrasana. Okay. For that you have to lie down on your back. Lower back. Uttant Vakrasana. Lie down slowly. Okay. Hands up. Interlock. Below your head, neck. Fold your knees. Fold your legs at your knees. Okay. Simultaneously, you have to turn your head and leg opposite direction. Okay. Opposite direction. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly come up. Back to the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the opposite direction. My head is towards you and my knee is to the right side. Head is to my left side and knee is towards my right side. Okay. Slowly come back to the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. We'll go for one more round. Next round. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's go for last round. Okay, slowly. Left side, head towards your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another side, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Hand straight. Leg straight. Relax. Now we'll go for our next asana. Now we'll go for our next asana is Bhushir Asana. Bhushir Asana. Same. Come front. Okay. Interlock your fingers. Come on your elbows down. Interlock your fingers. Fix your head here. Slowly come up. For 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again back. Back to your position. Let's go one more time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Back to position. One more time, last time. Interlock. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now we are going to do one breathing asana. It's called Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom. Breathing exercise. Okay. For your concentration, which will improve your concentration and relax your mind. Let's go. Sit as you can. Okay. Sit, relax, no problem. Okay. Sit, relax. Okay. Slowly breathe from your left nostril first. Left nose. Okay. Right nose is closed. It's a one cycle. Breathe in. Slowly. Don't make a noise like this. Slowly. Hold. Then release out from right nose. After releasing, exhaling outside, take the breath from your right nose again. Hold and release from your left nose again. From the left nose, you have to take the left nostril, you have to inhale inside, inhale the breath, hold, exhale from right nostril. Okay. Again, after exhaling, again you have to take the breath in from your right nostril and exhale from your left nostril. Okay, I'll show you. Start. This is one cycle. You have to do at least 8 cycles. Okay, start. Hold, breathe out, breathe in, hold, breathe out from your left nostril, breathe in, hold, breathe out, 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 relax. One more time I'll explain you. One more time I will explain you. From left nostril, only single nostril, you have to close the right nostril. Breathe from your left. Close your left. Breathe out from your right nostril. Again, after breathe out, again you have to breathe in. Then close. Breathe out from your left. This is one cycle. Left side breathe in. Right side breathe out. Right side breathe in. Hold. Left side breathe out. Now you have to do at least 8 times. Slowly you can increase your count. So my dear students, today we have learned yoga asanas and one pranayam breathing exercise, Anulom Vilom. I hope you will practice this asana daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week, so that your health will improve and you will be fit and healthy always. Take care of yourself. Till that time, bye. See you.